Now let's add wiring into our schematic. You see over here a circle with the symbols, which means that this pin of our symbol is not connected in the schematic. Similarly, you can see our circle over here, circle on the both the pins of LED. Similarly, circle on the both the pins of battery. This means that this symbol or this pin is not connected with any other component. So in order to connect this in order to connect the resistor with the battery and the LEDs, or to make connection between the components, what we need to do is we need to add wire. In order to add wire, on the right side you see over here this tool, add wire tool. If you click over here, your cursor changes, indicating that you are in an adding wire mode. So in order to add wire, go over here on this circle and click on this circle. You see that now the wire is drawn as you move on your schematic sheet. So let's move towards the other pin, and on this pin again if you click, then a connection is made between the resistor and LED. This is one way to use the add wire tool. The other way is on the schematic sheet, press W on your keyboard and your cursor changes to add wire tool. You can see over here, click anywhere, double click, and this wire is added into your schematic sheet. So let's just delete this. We do not want to have extra wires into our schematic. Select and delete. So let's add wire. And the third way is you can simply hover your mouse onto this circle. You see over here, as I move my mouse onto this circle, my cursor changes to add wire. So just click on it and it starts to draw the wire, and click on this circle and a connection is made between the battery and the resistor. Let's add the wire between this battery negative terminal to the LED in this way. Let's just move this resistor R a little down. If I hit M, this will disconnect with the remaining circuit. Hit escape. I will choose G to make sure that the wires also move along with this. So let's just place over here. Let's select this wire and move a little bit above. Now you can see over here I have wired my entire schematic by using add wire tool. The next thing is we have to specify the power net and the ground net. In order to add power symbols in our schematic, we have to choose a power library. So on the right side you see over here, under the add symbol tool, there is a tool, add a power symbol. Click on this. This will open up power symbols. You can see over here that these are power symbols. These are all the list of power symbols that are provided in the KiCad. Or let's just close this. You can also open a power symbol by clicking by pressing P on your keyboard. This will open up the power symbols. So I want to add a VCC and a ground symbol. So let's scroll down and click over here, or double click over here, and as you can see my VCC net is this one. Just click on this, and this this dot indicates that the connection is made between the symbol and the wire. So let's again click on the sheet to open up the power symbols, and I want to add ground. Click on this and hit OK, and I want to place ground on this wire. So I have added VCC and ground in my schematic.